We run a large lab on anti-infectives. Basically what we're looking for is alternatives to antibiotics.
Adiso is we're currently a clinical stage company focusing on developing therapies for patients with chronic and progressive inflammatory diseases. So these are situations where your immune system is dysregulated and it leads to clinical complications.
We nominated Adiso Therapeutics for a KTI award this year because it's achieved an awful lot in its short 5 years in existence. One of the real significances of the company's success to date is the fact that they've actually achieved FDA fast track approval. This means that their molecules are recognised as having really good preclinical evidence, and it's allowed them be fast tracked to actually go through the process, the clinical process in patients much faster, and this is a real success story for the company.
They came to us and they said, look, we're particularly interested in these narrow spectrum antimicrobials that you're developing. We see this as the way forward, and there is a scarcity of new antibiotic development in the industry, and we feel there's a niche there whereby Artigen, now called Adiso, can really flourish and improve patient health in a major way and reduce the burden of antibiotic resistance. From our point of view, it's a real opportune time, because it was a time when we had discovered uracil. We had brought out 2 very important publications on it in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, and we had also patented it. They had spotted this, and here was basically our track to translate this into really a meaningful biotherapeutic that could be used to benefit, mankind and, improve patient health. And in phase 2, what we're going to look at is efficacy. So we've already shown that this is safe in humans. And now we're going in and we're testing it in different disease states.
What's different about these drug candidates at this point is that they are all working with novel mechanism of actions. There are no other similar mechanism of actions in any drug candidates currently in development or already approved drugs on the market. So really the successes of the company at this point, in my mind, is translation of these ideas into testable hypotheses in humans, which is what we're currently doing.
Being nominated for this award is an acknowledgement of the importance of microbiome science and the people who work in it.
This project has really been a game changer for UCC. It is a company that has developed onto real clinical stage investigations. We now have technology that has developed in Cork in patients, and there is no greater impact than that.